Okay, sorry I started recording. I cut out the front panel here. This is the front of the bed that was on my 2009 Ranger. They got rear-ended like 4 times. and except I forgot I had the radio on in my 2011. And I don't want to get a copyright strike for picking up a Michael Jackson song. So I'm going to cut along this side. Get ready to turn the sound down. Oh boy, hot and muggy day. Hot and muggy day, and these goggles, I just took them out of the package, are fogging up already. Looking down below. Okay. Not too bad. Alright, doesn't look too bad. You always, when you're cutting up something, got to look on the other side. See what's on the other side of what you're cutting, so you're not, cutting into a fuel line or wires or emissions or any of that. So, all the darn pigeons crapped all over this trailer. Haven't seen them in a while. is the corner where the bed is bent in. Okay, there we go. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, I see. Wow. Fender support rods are holding it on. Oh boy. I'm sweating like crazy. Goggles back down. Okay, wipe the goggles again. It's literally like I'm in a London fog somewhere, looking through these goggles that just came out of the package. It's probably very high humidity today. It's supposed to storm tomorrow. Okay, 2 more cuts and this side's gone. It's good to wear goggles and hearing protection. Last time I used my Sawzall to cut something I didn't have hearing protection on. My ears were ringing for the next 2 days, 1 or 2 days. When you're cutting stuff out, wait for things to move, to jump, to fall. You gotta think about what's gonna happen with the next thing you do. Where's this piece gonna go? Put this in the back of the 2009 Ranger. The other side, sorry I'm off camera. I probably shouldn't work too late tonight. Like I said, it's really hot and muggy. Got to work early tomorrow morning. These old brake shoes, they use these as wheel chocks. These work really good to put in front of and behind, like the wheels of a trailer when it's parked. Okay. Okay, let's move the trailer and the Ranger over. I don't think the phone's gonna come off. Okay, just gonna get this side over closer to the electric outlet. Its phone is tilted one way. Well, I don't know. Maybe I could turn the bed around so I don't have to move the truck. I don't know. Let's see. This 7-foot pickup bed was weighed 200 pounds before I started cutting it up. Maybe I could do this with it upside down. Maybe that's an idea. I had plans of keeping the left bed side until I slid this thing backwards down a steep, icy driveway on a pizza delivery and dinged in the one side of the bed. Yeah, this is the last Denver after this truck. Okay, get ready to turn your sound down again. And our goggles with wiper blades on. Oh boy, I'm sweating like crazy. There's literally moisture. I don't know if you can see this. Turn the flashlight down. Literally moisture in the inside the goggle from so much humidity here. I probably should go home, pack up and go home. Getting this trailer ready for a trip. Okay. Well, you know, I could probably stack. I could stack this stuff. What should I do? I'll have to take the hearing protection off since I'm not going to do any more cutting. Alright, put these in the truck. Yeah, we did at the beginning of August. We had about 5 days where it was hot and humid, and then a storm front came through, and it's been cool most days since then. So it's been a cooler than average August, but the Sierra Mountains got a snowstorm in the last day or two. You know, and this is August 25th, 2024, so darn, I'm wondering if we're going to have a colder fall and an early winter. So I can move this bed, or I should probably flip the bed over. You hear the frogs. Okay. Flip the bed over. I'm wearing gloves. It's going to be sharp edges. This is the trailer I only paid $250 for, November of 2023. It's very much homemade. That's fine with me. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to do any more cutting. I'm done cutting tonight. Barrels. That looks better. I do have, there's a flat tire on this side. I don't know. Should I mess with switching tires or not? Well, maybe I'm gonna switch tires another day. This trailer has 5-bolt hubs with the same bolt pattern as the wheels of my Ford Ranger, so that was something I was looking for when I prayed for. I asked God for a 5x10 trailer. They had bigger wheels and tires with a 5-bolt hub, with the hubs the same size as bolt pattern on my 2011 and 2009 Ranger. So here, why don't I take you for a ride as I back this trailer back into its parking spot. Okay. Alright, I don't think the phone's gonna fall off. Alright, let's push the phone in. Let's see, do this. Tilt it down a little bit. I need to get a new OtterBox cover for my iPhone 7. This is the second one and it's wearing out already, so. Okay, gloves. Well, maybe I should put, the, put the cart back on so I don't have to drag it over there. Okay, pull it ahead. Boyd, make up your mind. Okay, put the wood down. This is wood left over from my last trailer. Let's do, okay. Wood left over from my last trailer. I was going to rebuild my last trailer with a flat bed on it, and then I found this one. I was out on a shuttle run for the car dealership last November, and I saw this trailer parked on this guy's corner, $250. I looked at it and I said, yep, it's sold, I'm buying it. Called the guy when I was still on my shuttle run and I says, hey, I'm going to be off at 1 o'clock. I'd like to buy the trailer. And he said, sure, yeah, I'm not far from home. So after I got off work, I paid for it cash. And back to my storage here. I got my 4-way receiver. Put it on, went, got it back, brought it back here. 250 bucks, pretty darn good. Pretty darn good for a 5x10 trailer. Wait, how should I do this? I got these barrels. Got these 55-gallon blue plastic barrels. I was going to use them to make snow blades. I wonder if this video is going to be another one that'll get over 1,000 views. And two summers ago, I had a video of taking the bolts out of the bed, this bed that I cut up, and the video's got, I think, over 2,000 or over 3,000 views. There. And then what's left of the pallet, hopefully that doesn't move on me. Hopefully. Okay. So I'm going to back her into the barn where she was sitting. Hopefully nothing falls off. Yeah, I got a shopping cart. Okay, let's have a look. The phone is still there. Okay, I'm off to the right a little bit. Ooh. Yeah, I'm way off. I'm off to the right about to get something. Okay, let's pull ahead. Yeah. I'm going to pull ahead. I'm going to pull ahead a little bit. Gee, that was close. I was darned within an inch of this pole over to the side right here. Came really close because I could see in my mirror, rear view mirror, that side. I couldn't see this side too well. Couldn't see the passenger side too well. And how far back are we? Let's see. Okay, I can go back another 2 feet. That's not bad. I got a late start to my day today, so I could put a board below. I could put sand in a tube down, and I could put a couple boards on top of it. Let's see, grab my gloves. Left the gloves in the truck. Okay, let's see. Oh darn, these are the ones with, oh, I cut myself. How did I cut myself? Cut my right arm just 3 inches up from the wrist joint. Oh, well, I'll be fine. Oh, these darn gloves. These are the gloves that have the thing that tightens up on your wrist. These are good winter gloves. They're kind of difficult to put on when it's hot and sweaty. Got a chain on here. This trailer is so very homemade. Good idea. Okay, let's put the pallet up here. Put a board below it so the trailer hitch is not sitting in the gravel, or well, it's not gravel, it's some kind of grayish blue purple rock. It's like this rock is like 3/8 inch. Okay, put the hitch back down. Put the bolt back through. Put the nut back on. Oh wait, did I put it through the wrong hole? Can't see. I need a haircut. Okay, so since I'm down here, let's pull out the receiver hitch. Boy, it's in a tight spot. Wish that hitch pin was longer. There we go. I should put, let's see, pull ahead, put the sandbags on. Still got the frame of the old trailer. I sold the rear axle last, I don't know, November or December. Okay, let's go back over to the barn, other end of the barn. Oh, the fan. I can feel the fan. It feels so good. You know, out here I can fart, and the only one that's going to be bothered is Mother Nature. Back in 2019, I have videos of the Union Pacific 4014 Big Boy. It came into St. Paul, I think it was July, came into St. Paul, Minnesota, then went up to Duluth, and then on its way back it went through Hudson, Wisconsin, and then Baldwin, Wisconsin. And I saw it again at Baldwin, Wisconsin. That day I stayed up most of the night, and I had just a couple hours of sleep, and I was eating these chips that had sugar. I think they were sugar beets or something, the red ones. And I was gassy. I was really, really gassy. And I was amongst a crowd, and I let a few of them rip. I didn't make much noise, and people around me smelled it. This one kid looked at me like, "You gotta be kidding." Must have been a really nasty one, but anyway. Well, I'm gonna close up the barn here, and I gotta go to Walmart and do a little bit of paperwork. Oh, there's the shoes. There's the brake shoes I left on the floor there. Well, I could do those another day. Well, yeah, it just turned 9 o'clock. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.